Hi, Sue. Hey, it's Santa. You know, I was going over the naughty and nice list for the first time. Oh, you didn't think that was just for kids. Well, maybe you did, because your name has been on there forever. Wow, you are awesome. And, hey, you've been with Bud for 15 years. You would think that would be a fast pass right to the top. You know what I mean? Whew! Now, because of this, and don't tell everybody, but I snuck in and put a little present on the backside about halfway up the tree. Just for you, but don't let it get out. I mean, if everybody wanted their presents early, I'd be in trouble. You know what I mean? But just a little something for you. All right? You have a Merry, Merry Christmas. All right? Ho, 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 ho.
Sounds like you're talking to you, Sue.
Yes, it does.
Holy cow. Halfway up the tree. Halfway up the tree.
Well, go check it out. For goodness sake.
This tree here?
All right, go ahead.
Oh, maybe not. I don't know. Maybe at her house.
Maybe it's at her house.
Well, why would it be coming through here?
Because,
Halfway up the tree.
On the back side.
Backside.
Does that have your name on it? From Santa? It does.
Well, then it's definitely for you.
oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Rich right
yeah.
Can't fit the cap in her mouth?
Probably not.
What is it? A present.
Jewelry.
Jewelry.
The piglet can.
What it
Papa.
is, it's not necessarily.
Oh, my God.
Not jewelry! Are you kidding me? That's not a... What is that?
Let her figure it out.
Oh, my heart is going to my
What is it, Sue?
You better run outside, girl.
No, sir! No, sir! No, sir!
This is.
What is outside?
Oh, no, come on.
This is the snow for the
I
cow.
don't know what it is.
We gotta see what it is. I mean, you have shoes on. I'm going out.
Look at the fence.
What is going on?
Whoa.
What the heck? Oh my God, where's my husband?
It's all right. Turn those lights on again. I want to see. We need a floodlight out here. Yes, we do. Oh my God. Oh my goodness.
Aunt Sue got a brand new car for Christmas. Santa sent Uncle Buddy a car for Sue. Her favorite car.
Oh my God.
You got a favorite
How did you do this?
Yeah.
How did you do this? You'll have to go back in and watch the video again.
Oh, Santa sent it for Uncle Buddy to give to Sue.
Oh my God!
Get inside.
Oh my God!
Get the door.
Honey!
Get the door.
Are you... It's okay. Oh my God!
Don't tell her. Don't remind her.
Someone's...
What?
Oh my God! Merry Christmas! That's okay. Oh, you're my... But I'm cool.
Santa said that she was really good this year.
Am I a lucky woman? Look what my husband bought for me. Merry Christmas to the luckiest woman in the world. This is what happens when you put something on your dream board. Your dreams come true. Thank you, Tom Ferry.